Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend today in the daily newspaper of 14th. Yes, January the 14th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku, and we have also a quintuplet. Quintuplet, aka a Samurai Sudoku, and this one I will do tomorrow. Today I will do the medium Sudoku. One regular puzzle for today, and tomorrow the Samurai Sudoku. We have also in the newspaper, of course, the additional with extra puzzles. Two additionals, one for the Saturday and one for the Sunday. But first, I will solve this one. Our Sudoku practice continues. Yes, the medium Sudoku number 5789. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. Yeah, medium Sudoku has always 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku, and for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here a 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. All right. Okay. 6. Well. 7. Where's the opening? 8, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. And we have a pair, the 4 and 8 in the third row, the 4 and 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right, 3. Then 1. 2 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1. 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. All right. Okay. Next. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Three, three. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. Let me think. Difficult. Come on. Yeah. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. Here, 4 in the third column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Wait. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. Cannot continue with 8. I need more information. Insufficient information, yeah. Come on. How about the number 1, 6, 4, 7, 8. 1. Yeah. 5, 9, and 6. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5, okay. 9 and a 6. Then 1. Yeah. So now we have 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Yeah. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 3. Well, we have a 3 in the first column. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We share 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. So 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 5. Yeah. Come on. 3. 3. Yeah. Okay. 1, 1. Where is the opening? Must be a hidden number here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Can be 6. Can be 7. Can be 8. Can be 9. Yeah. Got you. Hidden number. Okay. So the 2 should be here or there. But it's not helping me. 3. No. 5 and 9. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1, 1. 5, 2. So 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 6. We already have a 1 here in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. Cannot continue with the 2 now. 2, 2. 1, 1. Okay, 3, 7, 9. 7, 7. We have a 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 9 and the 6. Well, 9 and a 6, we already have a 6 here in the second column. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Okay, 9 and 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7. 7, 7. 5 and a 9. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. 3. Yeah. We have a 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 here in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 here in the third row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. Now we have a 6 here in the third row. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Then the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Do we have all the 3s, and all the 3s are used? I can see. This is number 4, number 3. All right. 6 numbers left. About those 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. About these 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, told you. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star Sudoku. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Saturday. Yes, it's weekend.